Good morning. Today we're going to talk about something that's a little tricky but kind of fun. It's called fractions. Fractions are equal parts of something. So I have this nice yummy brownie to teach you about fractions. This brownie is one whole brownie. So when we talk about this brownie, we talk about one whole of something. The whole brownie. And we write it like this. Now, if I want to share this brownie with a friend, I know you're already thinking about what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this brownie and I'm going to cut it right down the middle so that both sides are equal. Just like this. Remember, I want to have equal parts. When I cut my brownie, it looks like this, 2 equal parts. And now I can share it with a friend. When we have 2 equal parts like this, we call each part 1/2. This is a half of the brownie, and this is a half of the brownie. And when we do that, we write it like this. And there's my picture of my brownie, and it's cut in half. We write 1/2 on both sides. This shows that this side is 1 part out of 2 equal parts. And this side over here is 1 part out of 2 equal parts. The top number tells how many parts I have. The bottom number tells how many equal parts altogether. The top number is called the numerator. That's a really big word, numerator. So in this picture, 1 is the numerator. The bottom number is called the denominator. Denominator. In this picture, 2 is the denominator, because 1/2 is 1/2. Now, here come 2 more friends. Oh no. That means I'm going to take my 2 brownies, my 2 parts. I'm going to have to cut them again. Uh-oh. Wait till you see. Look what is happening to my parts. What's happening? They're getting smaller. That's right. They are still equal, 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. But they are smaller. Every time I cut my brownie pieces, they get smaller and smaller. When I share them, the more friends I have, the smaller the pieces. So if I were to put my brownie back together, there's my 1 whole brownie. And then when I share it with 1 friend, I have 2 parts. When I share it with 4 friends, I have 4 equal parts. So when I have 4 equal parts, it looks like this. There's my brownie. Remember, this was 1 whole brownie. This was my brownie shared with a friend, 2 equal parts. What do you think this brownie is going to look like? How would I write that? Well, this is 1 part, and this is 1 part, and this is 1 part, and this is 1 part. Those are my numerators. Then I need to put my line. What number is going to go on the bottom? The denominator. Is it going to be a 2? No, because how many equal parts do I have now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there are 4 parts. That means the denominator has to be a 4. Because remember, the denominator tells how many parts altogether. There are 4 parts altogether. So the top part is my part. I get one piece of brownie. Then one of my friends gets the next piece of brownie. And then my next friend gets the next piece. And last is for my fourth friend. 4 friends sharing a brownie. 4 equal parts, and each person gets 1 part. All right? Try that out today. Try cutting out a piece of paper or drawing some squares, and try using your pencil or a crayon to divide them into equal parts. See how many friends you can share your brownie with today. Have a good day. Bye-bye.